Welcome back to Overheat, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. Mercedes-Benz is creating a new electric vehicle platform that will impact their motorhomes in the future, according to the information that is now accessible. The main points are as follows: VAN.EA. The new electric vehicle platform, VAN.EA VAN electric architecture is a revolutionary electric vehicle architecture that Mercedes-Benz is launching, beginning in 2026. All Mercedes-Benz medium and large electric vans will be built on this platform. VAN. Because it is modular and adaptable, it may be applied to a variety of vans, including luxury motorhomes and commercial vans. Both all-wheel drive AWD and front-wheel drive FWD setups will be supported by the platform. Effect on RVs: Mercedes-Benz intends to add a new range of totally electric motorhome models based on the VAN.EA platform to their lineup. This implies that Mercedes-Benz RVs with zero emissions will likely become even more eco-friendly in the future. More interior design and configuration freedom is another promise of the VAN.EA platform, which may lead to more creative and cozy RVs. Features and technology: VAN. Mercedes-Benz's MB.OS operating system, which offers entertainment, automated driving capabilities, and comfort controls, will be installed in E-based trucks. The vans will have SAE Level to automated driving at debut, with Level 4 capabilities expected by 2030. The mobility of RV owners will be substantially enhanced by these new features. Extra points in the upcoming years. Mercedes-Benz wants to dramatically grow its market share in electric vehicles, with a greater emphasis on sustainability and electric technology. These advances mark a dramatic change in the motorhome sector. In conclusion, the new VAN.EA platform and other cutting-edge technology are anticipated to make the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome a very sophisticated and eco-friendly automobile.